Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss some great projects for Halloween. So, let's start with number 9. At first glance, this might look like a regular portrait, but just wait until it reveals its true colors. Surprised? In this project, Dominic crafted a wooden frame for an LCD screen that initially displays a still image, making it appear like an ordinary portrait. However, hidden at the bottom is a PIR motion sensor that detects movement. When someone approaches, a spooky video starts playing on the screen. The LCD shows the first frame of the video until motion is detected, at which point the video begins to play. Once the video ends, the display returns to the first frame, all without needing to reset or adjust any controls. Dominic created 3 characters. So, which one gave you the biggest fright? Number 8. Our next project is a rotating pumpkin head that tracks your movement as you walk near it. At first, it might look like an ordinary decoration, but things take a spooky turn once it starts following your every move. The setup includes 4 PIR sensors placed at the corners, which detect the presence of anyone nearby. When movement is detected, a servo motor rotates the pumpkin head in the direction of the person. To prevent the Raspberry Pi and other electronics from overheating, 2 fans are mounted at the back of the acrylic case. These fans, along with the sensors, are all connected to the Pi as shown in the circuit diagram. Number 7. Our next project will let you look like anyone you admire. Yes, you heard that right. This face-changing projection mask, created by Sean, can project anything to transform your appearance, whether it's a celebrity, a fictional character, or even an animation. The setup includes a 3D printed mask, a Raspberry Pi, a tiny projector, and a battery pack. The mask has a mount that holds the small DLP projector, which is connected to the Raspberry Pi. With this system, you can project different videos and images onto the mask. It's the perfect way to change your appearance for Halloween and give people a good scare by projecting any image you like. Number 6. Next, we have a trio of pumpkins that will give a good scare to anyone approaching your house. But these cute pumpkins aren't just for scaring. They can also sing songs or tell stories if you prefer. Simply press the corresponding illuminated arcade buttons located at the front door. These buttons are housed in a neat 3D printed enclosure. A speaker is also attached so visitors can clearly hear what the pumpkins are saying. These pumpkins are placed outside the window, and a low-cost projector connected to a Raspberry Pi projects images from inside the house. This setup keeps the electronics safely tucked away while delivering clear and spooky visuals. Before moving on to the next project, a word from our sponsor. Altium 365 is a powerful PCB design platform that makes it easy to share your design files with your team. Members can view, edit, and comment in real-time, streamlining collaboration. Need input from a software engineer? They'll get notified and can take action right away with easy access to datasheets and materials. You can even send your design directly to the manufacturer, simplifying the process and boosting workflow efficiency. If you're a student looking to kickstart your PCB design career, Altium Student Lab offers online courses and free access to their cutting-edge design software to help you master the basics of PCB design and ECAD fundamentals. Check the description for more details. Number 5. If you're a die-hard Harry Potter fan and want to relive the magic, we have something special for you. This magical wand allows you to perform tasks by drawing certain letters in the air. For example, drawing the letter A represents the spell Alohomora, which opens up a box. The tip of the wand features an infrared LED, while a night vision camera captures the wand's movements and streams the video to a Raspberry Pi. The patterns are then recognized by machine learning models, allowing the Raspberry Pi to perform the corresponding tasks. It's a perfect Halloween project where children can use the wand to open the box and grab some candy. Number 4. Our next project is a 3D printed pumpkin with a blinking eye. The pumpkin is printed using black PLA, giving it a unique, spooky look compared to the usual orange ones. Inside the hollowed eyes, 2 small OLED displays are used to create the effect of a blinking eye. While this project doesn't use a Raspberry Pi, an Arduino handles all the work. Once the code is uploaded, the pumpkin comes to life, adding the perfect touch of Halloween vibes. Number 3. Our next project is a cute hat that adds a unique touch to any costume and entertains everyone around. You can wear it during the Halloween party or while trick-or-treating. It's not a normal hat. It could tell spooky jokes, interact with people, or even deliver haunting messages. The exterior of the hat is crafted from sturdy papier-mâché, covered with a soft piece of fabric. Inside the hat, servos control the movement of its mouth, eyes, and unibrow, while an OLED display shows an animated eye that brings the hat to life. Number 2. Our next project on this list is a moving evil eye that blinks at the press of a button. While it may seem small and non-threatening at first, it can actually provide a funny scare for your guests. The entire circuit is crafted using conducting rods without any wires, giving it the name 3D or freeform circuit. If you find yourself getting bored watching this eye, you can also play Flappy Bird to pass the time. Additionally, it doubles as a stopwatch, adding a useful feature. Best of all, everything is controlled with just a single button. This is a great project that you'll want to add to your to-do list. Number 1. Last on the list is a haunted shooting gallery created by Jason. The objective is simple. Aim at the animated props using a rifle and take your shot. Each prop features a tiny laser-activated target. These targets are self-contained, equipped with their own power supply, relay, microcontroller, and adjustable photo sensor. To aim at these targets, Jason modified an old BB-style rifle by adding a laser pointer, activated by a small switch. A vibrating motor in the stock provides haptic feedback for a more immersive feel. The animated props are synchronized with the controller, linking their movements with the targets and sound effects to create a thrilling experience for your guests. We hope you love these Halloween project ideas. Drop a like and subscribe to our channel to keep supporting us. See you soon. Goodbye.